What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now this video right here, I was gonna hold off on a little bit until I built my collection up a little bit more. Well, completed my collection, I should say. But you know, I figured I might as well show y'all what I already got so far. And I'm not talking about my whole entire collection, because that's a video coming for another day, and I still got a while before I show that video. But I'm talking about the video of my A Ma Maniere collection. Now there are some pairs coming out later on this year that I don't have yet, and there are some pairs that have already came out that I don't have yet. But I figured I might as well show y'all what I've gathered up so far, you know, because I'm still gonna get all of them, but I want to show y'all what I got so far. And then, you know, when I do complete it, I'll make another video showing y'all, you know, everything in the whole A Ma Maniere collection. But for now, I'm gonna show y'all the ones that I purchased, you know, in these past few months, past year or so, whatever. And it's isn't in no particular order from best to worst. It's really in order from oldest to newest. But I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into it, man, because these are some beautiful sneakers. Now you already know what box this is if you know about A Ma Maniere. If not, you know what I'm saying, y'all gonna see. But I'm not gonna do a full-blown unboxing or review on these. I'm just gonna pretty much show y'all, you know, quick little details of them. But as always, you know, A Ma Maniere does a slide out packaging, you know what I'm saying? Dope little details they do. In my opinion, this might be the best one, honestly. Even though I did something not going from best to worst, or worst to best, however y'all want to look at it. But in my personal opinion, the threes, I thought it was the fours at one point, but the more I look at the threes and the more I wear them, man, the more beautiful this shoe just gets to me, man. Like details, colorway, it's just like this neutral color they went with this shoe. Like they always say the first one's the best one, but me, yeah, they did their thing with this pair. Like the details, the quilted tongue, quilted sock liner, the A Ma Maniere logo on the insole, just everything about it, man. You know, this A Ma Maniere always does their thing when it comes to details and, like, you know, packaging and everything like that. But this three is so simple, but they executed it perfectly, man, in my personal opinion. You know what I'm saying? You got the details on the back of the pull tab right there. Y'all can read that, see what that says. Let me get y'all the better. Yeah, it should be focused for y'all to read. But definitely a beautiful sneaker in my personal opinion. Is it my favorite? It just might be my favorite, man. You know what I'm saying? This is one of them sneakers that, like, you can wear with almost anything. You know, it's a neutral color. You know, you do get like the little hits of purple right here, but even still, man, even with the little, you know, with that, it's still one of them shoes that you can just put on with almost anything. But once again, man, beautiful sneaker. Probably one of my personal favorites out of the whole collab, if not my personal favorite out of the whole collab. But hey, they always do their thing with these shoes, man. Now this one, I already do have an unboxing video on my channel of this pair, so I'm not gonna, like, once again, I'm not gonna do a full-blown unboxing, but I will show y'all, you know, the little details. Sadly, I did not get these for retail, same with the threes, so I had to pay a little extra for these, but hey, man, I really don't regret it. Like I said, they always do their thing with their packaging, man. I always get top-tier designs, top-tier packaging and everything, man, but this sneaker right here, this colorway, in my personal opinion, is so beautiful. I threw in the OG laces that came with it. You know, I had creamy in that first little cell colorway, but put in the regular laces back in because, you know, I had a certain fit I wanted to wear, and I said it would look better with the regular laces. But once again, man, this material, you can see I got a little creasing on the toe box right there. But this material, it's a weird feeling material. I don't know exactly what to call this. Like, this is like a nubuck or whatever this is. It's like a leather or whatever, but it's a dope, real, in my opinion, real dope design, real cool little detail. This one, they got the quilts. Like, everything about this sneaker is quilts, from the insole to the sock liner to behind the tongue. Like, it's an all-around quilted sneaker. You know what I'm saying? The colorway is one of them colors. Yeah, it's hard to match up with certain fits, but if you can pull it off, man, you can almost wear this with, you know, what, a lot of different things. But it just looks right with certain colors. But me personally, it's one of my personal favorites. You can tell I wore these. Got a little wear on the bottom of it. Not beat up at all, but you know, you can tell that I got a little, you know what I'm saying, all the stars still there, all that good stuff. But overall, man, such a beautiful sneaker. Probably one of my personal favorites in the collab as well, in the collection. But you know what I'm saying, a lot of people hated on the fours for some reason. They didn't really like that colorway. They was like, I don't know how to feel about that color. Me personally, I like that color. It's a dope color in my opinion. Now, next up we got one of the 12s. I think this is the, yeah. This, you know what I'm saying, another dope colorway. The box packaging, you know, it's nothing too crazy on the outside. You got the A Ma Maniere logo on there, as y'all seen in my unboxing video. And you got the Flu Game, the iconic picture right there. And as you can see, the you got this black and burgundy type of color on this sneaker. Now you can see I wore these, you know, I und'd them the other week. Had to put them on. I was ready to put these on, you know what I'm saying? As soon as I got it from the A Ma Maniere website, I did get these for retail. So once again, another beautiful sneaker in my opinion, man. Like crazy details on that suede right there. Nice little movement as y'all can see. Real soft movement. But colorway, one of those pairs that did sit on the app for a long time. Some sizes probably still sitting as we speak. But overall, it's a beautiful sneaker. Not the favorite of the A Ma Maniere pack, you know, for a lot of people. Not my favorite either, but it's still a, you know, a nice colorway, a nice shoe. I do like 12s. Do like the details they got on it with the A Ma Maniere on the back right there. You know what I'm saying? You see that little A Ma Maniere logo right there? That was kind of weird. But you see that little A Ma Maniere logo on the back right there, man. You know, it's a cool little sneaker, man. It ain't the best out of the pack. It's not the best sneaker ever, but I do like how they kind of pay homage to the flu game with this colorway and this style. The 09 flu games did come like with this nubuck, you know what I'm saying, material on the same with, except this part was like leather steel, but the whole uprighted shoe, all this was like a nubuck suede material. So overall, it's still a dope sneaker, you know what I'm saying. Nothing out of the ordinary with those, you know how A Ma Maniere does with their details and everything. But still, nonetheless, still a dope sneaker. Still one of my personal, you know, likes. I'm not gonna say favorites, but one of my personal likes in this collection. But last but not least, you know, in my collection of A Ma Manieres, we got the other 12s. Now, same packaging, same as like everything, nothing different. Only difference is this pair is a white pair. Now, still haven't put these on yet, still haven't und'd these, but me personally, I think out of the 12 pack, the white pair is probably the more of the better looking pair, also the more favorite pair out of the two. You know what I'm saying? You can see that little suede right there. Another thing, another nice little movement going on with that suede. My personal, what I say is my favorite, nah, it's not my favorite out of the A Ma Maniere collection, but it's still a nice shoe. Still a nice sneaker, you know what I'm saying? Got a nice color, nice little details on it. It's a simple shoe, you know what I'm saying? Nothing out of the ordinary with this one as well. Just a nice little, you know, white leather on it, you know, real soft leather, I must say so myself. It's not like the softest leather, but it's a nice little grade of, you know, softness on it. But overall, it's still a dope looking shoe, dope looking sneaker. Could probably get a nice, you know, couple little fits off on it. Do like the fact that it does have wax white laces on it. I'm saying with the black pair had the wax black laces. So, like I said, they always do their thing with the details, you know, quilted insole, quilted sock liner, quilted tongue, all that good stuff right there. So, still nice little touches on this sneaker. Not one of the best A Ma Maniere. I think these are not really going for that much for resale either, same with the other 12s. But overall, it's still a beautiful sneaker, man. But out of all the A Ma Maniere shoes I have came out, man, I want to know what y'all personal favorite pairs are, you know what I'm saying, out of the 12s or the 3s, 2s, 1s, or the ones I showed y'all. What do y'all think is probably like the better looking A Ma Maniere 12s? Is it the 4s, the 3s, or is it one of the 12s? You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know down below in the comments which pair y'all like the best. Me personally, I think 3 is still, you know, at the top of the list, top tier, beautiful sneaker, nice colorway, neutral tones, all that good stuff. But y'all let me know down below how y'all feel about the A Ma Maniere collection. And as always, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my channel, you know what I'm saying, tuning into my videos, getting my views up, my subscribers up, likes, all that good stuff, man, you know what I'm saying. And as always, don't forget, man, make sure y'all smashing that subscribe button, smashing that like button, turn the notification bell on, man. Y'all telling a friend to tell a friend about my channel, man, you know what I'm saying. Y'all keep me constantly growing so I can keep this content out for y'all, man. And as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, and I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.